Welcome to Career Pathfinders. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of your job search, crafting a standout CV. Did you know the average recruiter spends only 7 seconds scanning a CV? Make those seconds count with these essential tips. Tailor your CV to each job you apply for. Highlight relevant skills and experiences that match the role. This customization shows recruiters that you're the perfect fit for the position. Choose a professional format that suits your experience and career history. Ensure it's easy to read and highlights your strengths. Keep your CV layout clean and organized. Use clear headings, bullet points, and adequate white space to make information easily accessible. Aim for a one-page CV, especially for early career professionals. Focus on achievements rather than listing job duties. Use action verbs and quantify your accomplishments with numbers or percentages. This showcases your impact and contributions in previous roles. Incorporate relevant keywords from the job description to pass through applicant tracking systems, ATS. ATS scans CVs for specific keywords, so aligning your CV with the job posting increases your chances of being noticed. Don't forget to include your education, degrees, and any relevant certifications. Highlight honors, awards, or special achievements during your academic journey. Proofread your CV thoroughly. Check for typos, grammar errors, and formatting consistency. Consider asking a friend or mentor to review it for feedback. And there you have it, 7 essential tips to master CV writing. Remember, your CV is your ticket to an interview. Customize it for each job application, highlight your achievements, and ensure it's error-free. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Career Pathfinders for more career advice and tips. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching. Craft a standout CV and land your dream job.